Our next stop is New Orleans Square.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead of New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing along with us, we'll be resuming our journey in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station, New Orleans Square.
Everyone, this is going to be your stop for attractions like Pirates of the Caribbean, Haunted Mansion Holiday, Splash Mountain, Exciting Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and much more. Some of your stop for attractions in Adventureland like Indiana Jones Adventure or world famous Jungle Cruise. Additionally, this will be the closest station to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, so if you'd like to visit those attractions, this will be your stop as well. If you're leaving us here, please arrange to get that will be great. Thank you.
From, what's that, Disney one?
Yeah.
What was that?
The
Frog thing, right?
frog, yeah, the